I'm proud to introduce for the first time ever, LOGIQ Air Suspension Solutions, engineered with precision, forged by passion. LOGIQ is an advanced technology provider that is reimagining every aspect of air suspension to bring an all-new level of performance, ease, and reliability. LOGIQ air springs and electronic air management systems will set a whole new high bar for innovation in this space. Let me show you why. First, let's talk about the air springs themselves. We're often called airbags. Airbags like this have been around for over a century, so many would assume that a bag is a bag. Where is there to improve? When the team at LOGIQ asked themselves that question, they came up with a list of 5 key areas to improve, including ride quality, spring rate, burst pressure, endurance, and durability. This is the first of many LOGIQ air spring models to come, and it brings massive improvements in all 5 of these key areas. Through the use of cutting-edge engineering, advanced materials, and extreme validation, LOGIQ air springs will provide you with an unparalleled air suspension experience. At the very core of LOGIQ's technology is the LOGIQ. It's an electronic air management system launching in mid-2022. This system will completely redefine the limits of what a modern air suspension system is capable of. LOGIQ is based around a patent-pending modular architecture that allows the system to be configured for the use of 1, 2, 3, or 4-corner air suspension systems, and has the ability to level based on integrated pressure sensors or optional height sensors. The LOGIQ Bluetooth app pairs with the LOGIQ system to provide a user-friendly interface with precise adjustment of air pressures, effortless height management, and the ability to save custom presets for varying loads and vehicle setups. A complete lineup of LOGIQ medium-duty and heavy-duty 12-volt air compressors and optional aluminum air tanks will allow you to tailor your onboard air system from mild to wild. Whether leveling the load in your hauler, slamming your street machine, lifting your off-road vehicle, or anywhere in between, LOGIQ has the systems and components to get the job done easily, accurately, and reliably for the entire life of your vehicle. For more information, visit logicair.com and sign up to be notified for all of our future product announcements.